All right, now, who's got the visuals?
Ben, get ready. See, hit me. See, scrolling through the internet late one night. Then Z dropped a picture shining bright. Colors dancing like a midnight show. I said, hold up, band, don't stop that glow. Tried another video just for fun, but the groove was gone, the magic done. Once you see what Z can do, nothing else compares to you. Everybody talking, everybody looking. When Z drops a brand new frame, the whole world gets cooking. Hit me, Z. Hit me, Z. When those graphics hit the screen, everybody on the scene. Z. Hit me, Z. The creators packing apples for the Sunday market team. Clap, clap, hey. Clap, clap, hey. Who you watching? Z. They upload the videos hoping they shine, but the viewers say, nah, we watching Z this time. Colors bright, worlds alive, nothing else can match that vibe. Soon the crowd just walks away. Sunday market calling it in. Screens are glowing, crowds are knowing. When Z drops another frame, everybody going. Hit me, Z. Hit me, Z. When those graphics hit the screen, everybody on the scene. Z. Hit me, Z. The creators selling apples in the Sunday market scene. Z in the house. Hey. Z in the place. Hey. Best graphics all over the place. Z hit me. Z hit me. Z hit me. Z hit me. When the visuals hit the sky, people watching day and night. Hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me. The creators selling apples every Sunday morning live. Band, that's what I'm talking about. Z, I got the groove.
Hold up. Who made these visuals? Oh, wait. That's Z.
Scrolling through the videos late at night. Then the colors hit me like neon light. Every frame jumping out the screen. I said, whoa, what kind of magic is this scene? Shape so sharp, color so clean, best graphics anybody's seen. I try watching something new, but nothing hits like Z can do. Everybody talking, everybody looking. When Z drops a brand new frame, the whole world starts cooking. Z got the groove, yeah. Z got the style, oh yeah. When those graphics hit the screen, people watching for a while. Z got the vision, Z got the heat, Z got the heat. Other creators packing apples for the Sunday market street. Clap your hands now. Hey. Hey, hey. Clap your hands now. Hey. Hey, hey. Who you watching? Who you watching? Other creators trying hard, uploading videos in their yard, but the viewers shake their heads. See already what they said. Every frame a funky ride, colors dancing side to side. Soon the crowd just walks away. Sunday market calling their name. Screens are glowing, crowds are knowing. When Z drops another show, everybody's gone. Z got the run, yeah. Z got the style, oh yeah. When those graphics hit the screen, people
in the house. Z in the place. Z in the house. Z in the place.
Best visual.
Z in the house. Z in the place. Z in the house. Z in the place. Stomp, stomp.
Watch the groove drop. Z got the growl. Z got the style. Every picture blowing minds for another 1,000 miles. Z got the vision. Z got the heat. Of a creator selling apples on the Sunday market street.
If it ain't Z, I ain't watching. Hold up. Who made these visuals? Oh, wait. That's Z.
Scrolling through the videos late at night. Then the colors hit me like neon light. Every frame jumping out the screen. I said, whoa, what kind of magic is this scene? Shape so sharp, color so clean. Best graphics since anybody's seen. I try watching something new, but nothing hits like Z can do. Everybody talking, everybody looking. When Z drops a brand new frame, the whole world starts cooking.
Z got the groove.
Yeah.
Z got the style.
Oh yeah. When those graphics hit the screen, people watching for a while. Z got the vision, can't compete.
Z got the heat.
The creators packing apples for the Sunday market street. Clap your hands now. Clap your hands now. Who you watching?
Who you watching? Z. Who you watching? Z. Who you watching? Z.
Other creators trying hard, uploading videos in their yard, but the viewers shake their heads. Z already won, they said. Every frame a funky ride, colors dancing side to side. Soon the crowd just walks away. Sunday market colorless.
Screens are glowing. Crowds are knowing.
When Z drops another show, everybody's going.
Z got the groove.
Yeah.
Z got the style. Oh yeah.
When those graphics hit the screen, people watching for a while.
Z got the vision.
Can't compete.
Z got the heat.
Other creators selling apples on the Sunday market street. Z in the house, E in the place, best visuals all over the place.
Clap, clap.
Stomp, stomp, watch the groove drop. Z in the house, C in the place, best visuals all over the place. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Watch the groove drop.
Woo! See, 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 see.
Z got the ground. Z got the style.
Every picture blowing minds for another 1,000 miles.
Z got the vision. Z got the heat.
Other creators selling apples on the Sunday market street.
If it ain't Z, hey, I ain't watching.
All right now, who's got the visuals? Bam.
Get ready. Hit me. Scrolling through the internet late one night. Then Z dropped a picture shining bright. Colors dancing like a midnight show.
upload their videos hoping they shine. But the viewers say, nah, we watching Z this time.
Colors brighter, worlds alive. Nothing else can match that vibe. Soon the crowd just walks away. Sunday market calling their names. Screens are glowing, crowds are knowing when Z drops another frame. Everybody going, hey. When those graphics hit the screen, everybody on the scene. Oh. Hit me. Other creators selling apples in the Sunday market scene. Z in the house. Oh. Z in the place. Best graphics all over the place. Hey, 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 hit me. Z in the house. Woo. Hey, hey, Z in the place. Best graphics all over the place. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hey, when the visuals hit the sky, people watching day and night. Hey, other creators selling apples every Sunday morning light.
Bam. That's what I'm talking about.